So the smartphone and steering wheel thing is going great. Viewers are liking it. They have asked me to do for multiple other games. I started it with Project Cars 2, if I'm not wrong. Then I did it for Assetto Corsa very recently. And this time it's going to be for Formula 1. If you want to have a look at the previous two videos which I did before, you can have a look at them in my channel, and you can get an idea of what I'm really talking about. And let's get started. So if you have already watched my either one of the previous two videos, you will already know the drill by now, how to set up things and get started. If you haven't watched them, don't worry, I'm going to do it from scratch again for this video also. So before getting started, we need to get the tools set up and ready. So you will have to first install the Monarch PC Remote app in your smartphone. It's pretty straightforward. Just go to your App Store or Play Store, type Monarch PC Remote, click on it, install it, done. Then you have to install the receiver software in your PC. So just go to Google, type Monarch PC Remote. The first link is probably the official one. Click on it. You will see the download button, scroll down, and probably a couple of links will appear. You can click on either one of them, click download, and then your download should start immediately. And for installing too, you just have to open the zip file and choose the location, choose the language, and click install. Pretty straightforward, nothing complicated here, I guess. So once the software in your PC and the app in your smartphone are both installed, there are multiple ways to connect it. One obvious way is just plug in with your USB cable and start using the app. The other way, the more preferred way, will be to do it wireless if you want a game especially. So there are multiple ways to do this again. First one is that you have a common Wi-Fi in your home, so both your smartphone and your PC are both connected to the same common Wi-Fi. This is a good way, very straightforward way, but if you want to go for gaming, if you want to especially use it as a steering wheel and go for esports, I would recommend you to connect your PC with your smartphone using your smartphone's hotspot. That will have the least amount of lag, and your connection will also be pretty much more stable across different smartphone devices. Because for lower end devices, I get a lot of comments, people telling that I have a lot of lag, like when I turn the steering wheel, it's turning after a few milliseconds. So connecting with your hotspot to your PC will avoid that. So once the receiver software is installed in your PC and the app in your smartphone, once everything is set up, and now it's time to go ahead and connect it. To connect this, first make sure that both your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, either a third-party common Wi-Fi in your room or the hotspot to your mobile phone should be connected to the PC. Either way, whichever is preferable for you. I would go for the hotspot method because that's better if you want to play games. So once that connection is done, all you need to do is just boot up the receiver software in your PC and keep it running in the backend. And once that is running, and while both the devices are connected, just boot up the app in your smartphone. It should get automatically connected. If you don't see a spontaneous connection that way, don't worry. All you need to do is just go to the bottom right corner of the screen in your smartphone and tap that connect button. Once you tap it, while both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, either a common Wi-Fi or through the hotspot, you'll be able to see your PC's name listed in the list of devices visible. Just tap on it and it should get connected without any problem. Once you have made a successful connection, you can explore through this app. This app can do a lot more than just being a steering wheel. You can use this for typing as a trackpad, as a PowerPoint presentation tool, audio video controller. A lot of things are there. It can be a separate video on its own. Just explore through the app. You might find something useful which I don't even know about. Let us know in the comments if you find something like that. Alright, so once a successful connection is made and the devices are working the way you want it to be, it's time to move ahead and make the layout for Formula 1. Start following the video and stay tuned till the end. Alright, that's about it. If you love this content, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll be coming up with more and more games. Planning to do for BeamNG and Forza Horizon soon. So stay tuned, and see you in the next one.